Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle Beauty, your daily dose of health and well-being. Today I'm going to talk about a very important aspect in makeup and beauty, and that is brushes. So you might be overwhelmed in the market with so many brushes, such kinds of brushes, what to buy, what not to buy. As a beginner, do you need the entire range of brush of 24 sets or 40 sets or whatever is available in the market? And you keep on investing on such brushes and increasing your pocket and just wasting those brushes because you never use those brushes. Until and unless, a disclaimer, you are a beautician or you have a flair of makeup or you are working as a makeup industry. So until and unless you are into completely makeup and you know a lot of makeup and a lot of high-end makeup or makeup industry or beautician or something, you don't need that kind of brushes that you require. So on Lifestyle Beauty, we are making so many videos on quick makeup tips and all those aspects which takes in our regular life. So we don't have that much of time to sit down and do hours and hours of makeup. So whatever we give you is very quick, very efficient, and what I do, I share with you. So I hope you like our channel. And if you are new on our channel, please do not forget to subscribe on our channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and do hit the bell button also so that our videos comes first to you. And if you are already our subscriber, thank you so much for giving us so much of love and appreciation that we continue to make it happen with you. So let's go ahead without wasting any more time and understand what are the basic brushes that you actually require if you are a beginner and starting off with your makeup. You don't need the entire 24 sets. No. So let me give you my favorite brushes that I generally use to create my looks, which are basically work related or might be video related or shoot related. But these are the only brushes that I'm using. So let's go ahead. So the first brush is of course your foundation brush. Now in the foundation brush, okay, so this is what you call look like. A foundation brush would look like something like this, or it can look something like this, or even it can look something like this. So all these three brushes are foundation brush. You can also see my two brushes are already used. So these all three can be used as a foundation brush. They can be used as a blusher brush. They can be used as a loose powder brush. So they have multi-purpose use. It's not that you use only for one purpose. And why they are called foundation brushes? Because their bristles are very joined together. So they give you a makeup when you put your foundation and you just try to put it, so it blends very easily. In the market, you have a foundation brush from Color Bar also, so which is not this fluffy. Okay, it is much thinner and it is flatter. It's like this. So it's more like a paint brush. You can say it more like that. So you can use that even. It's absolutely fine. But I love using these brushes because they are fluffy from the top. So you can just. So I basically use this as a foundation brush, and I use this. So they are both ankle brush. See, if you see, they have a slight ankle like this. So they are very good when you have to actually put your foundation here. See, it just sets in. It just gets in. So if you are using a loose powder, or if you are using any kind of a face powder also. So if your makeup is already like this and your under eyes are coming out, so you can just take this, put some powder into it, and you can just apply it smoothly. See, it will get applied very smoothly because it has got this ankle, so it goes inside the corner of your eye also very easily, and it's very easy to use. So you can use, and the foundation, of course, you can put it directly here. So you can put it directly the foundation here, dab, and you can use it like this. So it's very easy to use. So you can use these kinds of a thing. You can also use this. So this completely round thing is basically used for as a buffer blush also. So buffer brush is basically when you have extra things on your face. So to just wind it off, you use this buffer brush. Okay. So any of these three can be used as a foundation brush. Even the color bar brush is completely fine. So you can use that too. So these three work for my foundation, for my loose powder, and also they also use for a compact powder. So loose powder, compact powder, foundation, wet or dry, you can use this. They really go hand in hand. You get it really well in Nykaa or on Amazon. If you want, I will share the link of this brush in the description box below. Now after the foundation comes up your eyeshadow brushes. Now eyeshadow brushes can be n numbers. So there is something like this which you can use. So this is also an eyeshadow brush. This is a blender brush. Okay, this is mostly a blender brush. It's very fluffy. See, it's very fluffy. It blends your eyeshadow really well. And these brushes, like these ones are generally used to put your eyeshadows on the corners. See, like this. So if you see here also, it has got an angle like this, so which are used basically to put your eyeshadow here, and then these blender brushes, these are called blender brush. Eyeshadow blender brush can be used to blend your eyeshadow neatly into your crease and all those things. Now when you buy such kind of a brush, eyeshadow palette, you get an inside brush also. Okay, so you can use these brush, this one, as this is a harder one. Okay, so you can use this kind of a bristle also to put in eyeshadow in your corners, or you can use it as a eyeshadow liner brush, eyebrow brush. These also can be used. Okay, these also can be used. So you just pick up a color. So you just pick up any color with this. So I'm just picking up this, and this is basically used to dab it in the center like this. See, you can also use it to put it across, depends on you, but I generally use this if I have anything to do to put just in the center and highlight my eyeshadow. Okay, so I used to do this. I used to use this because this is the best applicant if you want to highlight your eyeballs. If you don't want to grease your fingers or something, you can use this also. Now this kind of a brush, this one, can also be used as a smudger. So if you have put up a liner, kajal liner, and you want to do a smudge look of your liner, you can use this, and you can just use this to smudge that liner up. Now mine is a gel one, so it will not get smudged. But if you are using a pencil eyeliner, you can use this brush to even smudge it out. So this has multi-purpose use. It can be used as an eyeshadow, it can be used as a smudger. This can be also used as to put up your eyeshadow and also your eyebrow, you fill up your eyebrows. You can use this. It's very, very effective, and you get it inside the palette itself. So this is my Maybelline Rock Nude palette, it's a go-through palette for me. I basically use this brown color for my filling up my eyebrows. This one I use to fill up my eyebrows, and the rest as an eyeshadow. Simple. So eyeshadow brush, these kinds of brush you can get plenty in the market. Okay, these kind of a brush you get plenty in the market. If you have to see, just it's a bit tough. It should be a bit tighter. Now the blender brush is very, very soft. See? It's very soft because it needs to blend in your eyeshadow. So use a blender brush and an eyeshadow brush. Just one or two is fine, because we are not working with too much of eye makeup like makeup artists. They have various 5-6 options, but we can go with only 2. Right? Next comes up is your eyebrow brusher. So this can be used as a mascara brush. It can be used as an eyebrow brush. You also get an eyebrow comb, but I think that's fine with me. I can do it with this instead. So this also works fine. So you can use to brush your eyebrows off before applying any kind of a eyebrow filler. Now this eyebrow pencil that I have, it's from Faces Canada. It has on one side it has a spoolie, so you can use it to comb your eyebrow, or even to comb your lashes and remove extra mascara. And the other side has this kind of a brush. So it's an angular brush. This is called an angular brush. Angular eyebrow brush. So using this, you can fill your eyebrows very easily because it's an angle. It gives you complete angle to your brush. You can fill it up. But basically I use this one. So this is again an eyeshadow brush. So as I showed you, there are various forms of eyeshadow brushes you can use. So all three becomes an eyeshadow brush. Okay. But I use this brush. This brush is much tighter. So again, to fill up the corners, if you have anything, you can use this. But I use this brush to fill up my eyebrows. I'm yet to use this, but this is the better version. Okay, the angular brush is always a better version to use. But if you don't have it, don't go and buy it. Not needed. Okay, it's not needed. You can always use this kind of a brush if you have, which is very smaller in size. Okay, the bristles are small in size. It's bit hard, it's tighter. So you can use this to even fill up your eyebrow. Simple. Next comes up is this patlu sa brush. Okay, it's a very thin brush. It's a very thin brush. Basically, it is used for lips. Lipstick के लिए use होता है. But I don't use lipsticks के लिए brush. I generally put the lipsticks on my own because I'm not a makeup artist, so I don't have to use it on many faces. It's only on my face that I use the brush. So I don't use it to put lipstick. I use it to highlight my eyebrows. So this area of my eyebrow, which you always see highlighted, it's because I use this kind of a brush. It's a very small. This is the smallest, thinnest brush that you will find in your eyebrow set. And I use this white one. Okay, so take this white one and just try and highlight this. So wherever there is a curve, so don't start it from here. You don't have to start from here. You start from where the hinge is there. So जहाँ पे आपका ये पोनी यहाँ पे पॉइंटर होता है, वहाँ से you just आप ऐसे कर लीजिए उसको. तो आप देखोगे यहाँ पे ना एक कलर आ जाता है. You get a different color. So your eyebrows gets highlighted, and then use a highlighter color like this maybe, or like this maybe, any one of it, and just put it on the corners. Just put it on the corners on both sides. You can do it. So this basically is highlighting your eyes. So if you think that your eyes are very beautiful and you want to design your eyes a lot, use this kind of a brush to highlight your eyebrow area, and it will give you another lift. So it completely lifts up your face. It's all about lifting your face up. So there are 4 brushes, in fact 5 for the eyes. And if you think that eyes are the smallest part, but they need the most. They need most of the eyebrow, they need most of the work, and they need most of the brushes also. Okay, so these all brushes are your eye makeup brush. These are your foundation, that is the base brush, which you use to create your foundation. Then your loose powder, compact powder, you can use these kind of a brush. After that comes up is your rouge brush, right? So you just have to highlight your cheeks. So use this kind of a brush. This is not much, it is a fluffy one, see? It's very fluffy. So you just put it up on your rouge powder, okay, whatever bronzer powder. If you are applying bronzer, this is very nice. So on the bronzer, you just apply and you just lift it, and it's done. If you have to apply, highlight your cheeks and all, like mascara and what do you call that? Sorry, I forgot. Bronzer, then okay, whatever. So if you are using a rouge powder or a bronzer to highlight your cheekbones, use this kind of a brush. It's a rounded fluffy brush. It would look similar to this. Okay, it would look similar, something like this. It is something like this, very similar. So if you have this kind of a set, if you buy this set comes with 4 different brushes. So since I have this brush, I am yet to use this brush again. So this is kind of a blusher brush. Okay, blusher is the word. So if you, after contouring, using it, you want a blusher brush, this can be used as a contour brush, a blusher brush, or even a bronzer brush. So this is kind of that thing. So a blusher, bronzer, and a contouring brush, you can use this brush for that thing. But since bronzer and contour are a darker color, so use two different brushes, because अगर आप dark color और मतलब अगर आप same चीज पे brush repeat करोगे तो वो सही नहीं होता है, ठीक है. So this is for the again bronzer, blusher, contouring. So you can use two brushes for that. So one you can use for contouring and bronzing, and the other one you can use for your blusher for that. Now this fan brush is very interesting. Okay, this is a fan kind of a brush, very interesting. It is used basically for highlighting. So the highlighter that you have, you just take a little bit of highlighter, put it on your fingertips, and you just blend it up. That is how you use this. So this is a triangle shape. So it's basically, you know, it's for only highlighting a specific point. So this area, this area, this area. So wherever you have to highlight, this is actually a highlighter brush which we use. So this is a fan brush which we call, and it is used for highlighting. This fat fluffy brush that I have from Colorbar, this I use as a buffing brush. This is called a buffing brush. So this buffing brush is basically used to buff off any extra powder or makeup that is there on your face, and you can just use it nicely to buff everything off, and that would be done. So any extra powder, any extra makeup that you have on your face, it's very easy to buff it off. You can also use to apply loose powder, like I said. Since I have these brushes, I don't basically use to apply this as my loose powder. Now I just use it as a buffing brush. But again, these are the most important things. So these are the brushes that I generally use, and I hope in case you think that none of the brushes are working for you and you are not at all a brush person, use your fingers. So this finger, the ring finger, should be always used. You use the ring finger to blend in things here. Okay, use the ring finger to blend in things under your eye, because this requires blending. Okay, so don't press it too hard. So anything that you need to blend in, use your ring finger. You can use your fingers to apply eyeshadow, to apply cheek blusher. You can apply even contour. Just pick up the powder, line it up like this, and just use a blender brush to blend in. Okay, so these brushes are also very good blender brushes. So you have to just blend in the makeup. The more you try and blend in the makeup, is the more natural effect you will get. So these brushes can also be used as a blender brush. And if nothing works, please feel free to use your fingers. So all my makeup that I have put up in Lifestyle Beauty are made using only these brushes. I don't use any extra brush apart from this, because I think that is waste of money and I don't need that much of brushes. So please stop wasting your money and start using the basic brushes that I have shown you today. I hope this video would help you make a pack of your brush, and it would definitely help you in future to save a lot of money. And please use your fingers. I am sure they will work wonders. In eyeshadow, sometimes some brushes don't pick up an eyeshadow. Okay, the color does not comes up, or you know that the texture that you need, that does not comes up. So use your fingers. The warmth of the finger would give you that texture and the color and the shine that you need. So do not forget to use your fingers also. Thank you so much. It was Sonu Singh signing off, and please do not forget to like, subscribe our channel and share it as much as possible. Thank you for watching.